So, welcome back to part 2 of the multi-agent vibe coding with Rabbit OS Intern system. Following on from the explanation of the initial prompt, bearing in mind I want to build a AI risk scoring system for products and services with embedded AI systems. All I'm doing here is I'm uploading the policy document from the United Nations. I'm adding my initial prompt and then I set the timer and let the tool run. You will see now this is pretty much sped up by 50 times or so. Altogether it took about 48 minutes to execute the first prompt, and all you can see here is it's doing a lot of generation of files, it's doing a lot of generation code running of tools in the background. Every line that's basically popping up here is an individual agent of this multi-agent system that's running in the background. It builds up my scoring tool. The scoring tool, the result of this prompt will be basically Python code that is executable either on the machine itself, so on the desktop machine, or I could upload it, park it on a web server somewhere and let it run by itself. So you can see the task itself completed. I want it now to also write me a documentation that goes with that to explain further how the tool works, the international standards that have been used. So that adds a little bit additional time to it. Sometimes this multi-agent tool provides it already automatically. Sometimes you have to prompt it to do some further work and research. And you can see now here it's completely done. 1 hour 11 minutes. Normally this would have been easily a week or two development time, and you can see here, so here's a task overview of the initial prompt, the final output, description, what I ask it to do for me. So basically the documentation based on the Risk AI scoring tool. Some of the key findings and results, all nicely summarized, and as best practice, once I'm completed, I usually take that as a PDF document, and you can see here on the tab on the left all the generated files, all the Python code and so on that goes with that. It's astonishing how well this tool works. And part 3 I will show you the output of this tool applied to some example products, just to show you how this works. Thanks for checking in. See you for part 1 and part 3 hopefully.